care of the cord, a symbol all equipment needed to save time, effort, and energy. Drop refined alcohol to the baby's umbilicus to soften the red blood, can easily remove discharges. Soak the cotton predjet or cotton buds with refined alcohol. Clean the umbilical cord with cotton predjet or cotton buds to remove debris. Clean the umbilical cord in circular motion from inner to outer portion of the cord. Repeat the procedure until the cord is thoroughly clean to prevent infection. Drop refined alcohol to the umbilical by avoiding dripping of solution to the genitalia to circumcision area to create discomfort of the baby. And then dry the umbilical cord by open dressing to facilitate drying and healing of the cord. And then remove the cord clamp after 48 hours.